In this video, we're going to add a PDF or another type of document to our tournament. For example, if you wanted to show your rules, have them available for download in your tournament navigation. I'm going to go ahead and start on the dashboard here. You're going to see I've got a tournament in registration mode, and I want to add a rules PDF there. So first things we're going to do is we're going to run over to the library here on the left-hand navigation, and we're going to click Documents. And in our document library, we're going to add a new document. So that's the top right corner. We're going to click that little button. Here you can drag and drop a file into here, but I'm going to just go ahead and click it. And I've got a rules PDF on my desktop, which I'm going to upload. And that PDF will upload, and I'll click I'm finished uploading, and that'll show up right here. So right now it's not accessible. It's just accessible in my library, but I'm going to make it accessible in the tournament. So I'm going to go ahead and click Tournaments, Manage Tournaments. I'm going to click into that tournament that's in registration mode, and I'm going to click the plus sign next to tournament pages to add a new page. This page, I'm just going to call it something generic, rules, for example. And instead of the page type tournament, I'm going to head over to link. So page type link is what we want here, and this lets us choose a document to link to. And since I've only got one document in my document library, I'm going to choose that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Add New Page. And you'll see that that rules page will show up right here as a link. You can see it's got a little icon for a link. If I need to change that in the future, I can always click it, upload another document, and then switch that over to a different one, but I've just got that one right now. And it's as simple as that. That's all you need to do.